Hello, everyone. My name is Perla Spear. I am the Online Learning Services Librarian here at Trevecca, and I am going to be working with you through this orientation, introducing you to library services and resources that will be beneficial to you in this program of study. So let's get started. Let's begin by looking at 5 items of general library information. First off, you should know about the library homepage. That is the image that you're seeing on the right here. The library URL is library.trevecca.edu, very simple URL. On the homepage, if you look at the purple menu bar and you move your mouse over, you'll see drop-down menus in each item that gives you information about services and resources that the library has available for you. Toward the bottom, we also have more information and news-related content. Library hours can be identified from the bottom of the homepage. Every time you log into the library webpage, you'll see library hours for that current day. If you wanted to know hours looking ahead for breaks or summer session, you can click library hours here for that information. Your library card serves as your Trevecca ID serves as your library card. You can use your ID to check out books and to request interlibrary loan items. If you don't have a physical ID, that ID number is used to check out the books and request the interlibrary loans. If you're not sure what that is, simply initiate a chat with the librarian and they can locate that for you. Interlibrary loan is a great service the library provides free to all our students and our faculty. You'll find it linked under services here at the top of the purple menu. Interlibrary loan is free. You can borrow a book or you can request an article reprint for materials that the library does not have. There is a URL here for an interlibrary loan research guide that will be more help for you. Library help is available in multiple ways. When you click Get Help here, there are 2 ways that are noted right away. That is meet with a librarian, and then when you click Contact Us, you can initiate a chat. You can email us or you can text us. Discovery search is what you see on the library homepage. That box right here is our premier search. Discovery search allows you to search across multiple library collections, not all of them, but some of them. So you can find books, articles, videos, and more with one search. If we were to put in this topic, leadership in women, and just click the search icon, the result list is quite significant, which requires you to apply filters. The filters are on the left. The very first filter you need to apply is to limit to Trevecca. So you're going to limit to Trevecca Holdings, and then you get to choose what type of format you want to be looking at. Do you want to be looking for articles, books, or video, any kind of archival material, etc.? You can limit to that. Every record has these 3 items: a cite, a share, and a save. The cite is a citation generator that allows you to choose a citation style and copy and paste into a Word document the citation for that item. Share generates a URL that you can share via email. You can do that right here on the box, or you can copy the link and paste it into something else. The save allows you to save items as you are currently working in Discovery. If you want to save it beyond the time that you're currently involved, you'll need to sign in up here. And so be sure you sign in using your Trevecca credentials and you'll be able to save items beyond the initial activity. Also, you'll see on the page there is a chat that shows on the page. When you click the floating chat boxes, you'll be able to initiate a chat in Discovery with a librarian that can help you at your point of need. Looking for books. one of the first filters you'll see after Trevecca is to choose books. And when you choose books, you have a choice again of whether you want to choose print books or ebooks. Ebooks are identified with the button that says View eBook, and it clearly says right up here that it's an ebook. Ebooks are 24/7 in a digital platform on the library website. Print books exist in the library. So let me deselect these here and just choose print book. And the print books are ones that you can check out, but they exist in a physical form. These aren't ebooks unless you see what this one has, two copies. We have a print and an ebook copy. But in some cases, like the second one, we only have a print copy. The call number is identified here. It also shows in availability in case it was checked out, it would identify that. There is a URL on the PowerPoint for an ebook research guide that will help you understand how to use the ebooks a little more efficiently. If you're searching for journals, the discovery search is a great place to start as well, because you can use your format filter here. I'll remove book and choose article, and now I will just have articles that are available to me. When you're researching articles, you must remember a couple things. First, continue to look at your content type and choose peer-reviewed. Your articles need to be academic, scholarly, so choosing peer-reviewed ensures that. Then pay attention to your date range, because you have all kinds of years that are representative here in your journal articles. Choose last 5 years, or you can do a custom date range if you want, but now you're getting more current information. How do you get the article? Well, you'll see there's a link that says access it online. And when you click that, you are seeing the actual database where the entry appeared. To get to databases from this page, if you go up at the top and click resources, you'll see one of the first links is database list. This is the A to Z database list. We have about 150 databases. There are 3 ways you can access this. You can go alphabetically and drill into all our collection alphabetically. You can go up here by subject and choose a subject section, maybe business, and you can see all the ones that we have in the field of business and search from that. Or from the main page here for the databases, you can look at our popular ones. So Academic Search Ultimate is the best starting place for you as you are beginning your research. Since you are business students, you will also be familiar with Business Source Ultimate. That is a tremendous resource. Both of these will be helpful finding journal articles. I'm going to click Academic Search Ultimate. And as you see, as you are looking at, this is how you search the database. I will just put in a topic and we'll search. The limiters and filters in the database will appear on the left, called Refining Results. Here, once again, you select Peer Reviewed, and you can drag the slider, the date, publication date slider over so you can get more current content. So these are academic journals. They would be appropriate for you to use in your research. In order to actually use one of these, right, you're going to have to click the article title, where you can, at this point, you can email it. You see these tools on the left are here for you to manipulate this article. In other words, you can put it into Google Drive. You can print it, email it, save it. You can cite it. Once again, there's another citation generator here that will let you choose APA 7 and copy and paste this into a Word document. You can create a note, you can add permalinks, there's all kinds of good stuff, but you have to click on the title in order to do that. This is one of the databases. Business Source Ultimate looks just like this, except for it is strictly business related content. Google Scholar is a wonderful resource. It is not Google the search engine. We'll just put in a topic here. Everything within Google Scholar is academic. There are books and there are peer-reviewed articles, which is why you don't have a limiter for peer-reviewed here. They're very narrow in terms of the limiters that are available. Basically, you have the year. So when you click the year here, you can go to 2018 and it'll give you the results. As you're looking at Google Scholar, you can see Find It at TNU. Trevecca's collection can be integrated into your Google Scholar results, but you have to activate that, and I will show you those steps in just a minute. So Google Scholar is a tremendous database that will be helpful for you in addition to library databases. Your research guide. The research guide for your program, you can find it beginning at the library website. If you go under the search box, you see the link to research guides. Here, click the subject area business, and you're going to choose business and management. This is your research guide. One of the main things on the research guide is APA information. So here is where you can get resources and help to understand how to format a references list, what a journal article citation looks like, or how do you format a book in APA 7. These are all tools to help you do the things correctly. Notice there's also a chat window here in the research guide to help you if you have questions. There's also a tab called Online APA 7, and these two sources, the APA Style Blog, the OWL at Purdue, which are both very reliable resources, are linked here. So this is under the APA 7 and then the online guides right there to get to that content. You will also see more information about books with some video tutorials to understand discovery. The same thing, some tutorials to understand using the databases. Here's our Google Scholar link, and this is the steps that you can put into place to integrate Trevecca's collection with your Google Scholar results. These are additional databases. There's streaming video. This would be the interlibrary loan if you needed to request that. And if you are in the local area, you are welcome to be in the library and study. So check out our study spaces before coming so you can find the right space for you. To get in touch with us, there are four ways you can get in touch. I mean, the number one would be chat. Chat is great for a quick question. If you have something more detailed that you need more assistance with, please schedule a meeting with a librarian. And on the main page, it says schedule a meeting. This goes to the same place, but you can schedule a meeting. You can email the library 24/7. You can also text message. Please take advantage of these opportunities to connect with a librarian if needed. Okay, so now you have had a short orientation to Trevecca's Library and our services. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. Use our chat feature, schedule an appointment with the librarian, and by all means, make sure you are familiar with your research guide for your program. That will be so beneficial for you as you continue throughout your program. All right, I look forward to talking with you.